This will be the third and final segment of our first training session. A purchase of a SuperiorBus system includes a full layout, 3D model, and engineering design. Occasionally, a customer may request to buy several straight sections to cut and modify on-site to suit their needs. We ask that they send us the system information for us to generate a model and drawings for them. Our preference is to supply a system with full cut sheets, FEA analysis, and full layout as an engineered system package. Our design capabilities go beyond designing a simple layout for the customer. This image shown on the presentation slide is an example of a data center layout we designed. The customer came to us needing to tie their APSs, UPCs, generators, and switchgear together, but did not know how. They gave us a CAD model layout of their electrical room, and we configured several systems to join every piece of equipment to where it needed to go. As you can see, we do more than just go straight from point A to point B. If the customer needs help with the layout and configuration, we gladly provide a solution. In this particular system, they needed a system with a small footprint due to size constraints. We custom designed cable bus systems for their electrical room to be installed in 4 phases. The 3 different colors shown on the presentation slide denote the different phases. Despite the lengthy design time, this guarantees we will be awarded the contract for phase 2, 3, and 4 when they are ready to be installed, with little engineering time required. Providing this kind of layout helps the customer achieve a workable solution in a challenging spot. It also locks the customer into using our product down the road. The SuperiorBus allows for slight variations and misalignments during installation. Unlike a bus duct, it does not need to be precisely aligned. It can be easily tweaked and adjusted if necessary. For example, if there was a minor misalignment between the switchgear and the bus support bracing, or the transformer had been dropped in the wrong place. On large projects, we generally suggest that the customer buy a few extra straight sections of a length of their preference and hold it on site in case they have a problem and the system has to be modified. If the switchgear is 4 feet further than expected, they can cut the extra 4 feet from the extra straight section and install it. This saves the customer costly downtime while they wait for us to manufacture and ship them a custom section. We do not pre-cut our cables before shipping them to the customer. All of our cables are sent on reels along with the rest of the SuperiorBus system. In the event that there is a change to the cable bus, we can reconfigure the cut lengths and send a cutting list so that the customer can effectively cut and install the cable with minimal waste. If the job site has changed drastically enough that requires more cable, we will send the extra cable along with a cut list to use the previously ordered cable as effectively as possible. Superior Tray Systems is a one-stop manufacturing facility that designs and manufactures all of our products. If we do not have what the customer requires, we will custom design it and build it for them. No matter how large or small the project may be, Superior Tray Systems can handle it. One of our largest projects was our integrated walkway and the cable bus for the Canada Line Rapid Transit line. The system was 19.5 kilometers long in total. Please contact us to set up a GoToMeeting virtual meeting. Martin will take you through our drawing packages in greater detail and answer any questions you may have. We hope you've enjoyed this training session and look forward to working with you again in our next session.